Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today, as you already know from the title, I'm sure, I am unboxing my Birchbox for April. And this is what the box looks this month. It's a little shiny. There's like some cute tissue paper coming off. It's like a pink box, the glittery type front, and some like light blue or green, whatever you call it, tissue paper. I have not looked inside yet. But if you guys have not yet heard, Birchbox has recently raised their pricing, so I wanted to talk about that before I open it. I've opened Birchbox many times on my channel. This was actually my very first subscription box, and I've been getting it for over 6 years, so I know a lot about it, but this new pricing is a little, it's new to me, and I'm sure it's new to you too, so I thought I would touch on it before unboxing. So they recently announced that they are raising their prices, and they will be between $10 and $15 depending on your current subscribing status and loyalty status. So right now, or before April, everyone was paying just $10 a month. If you subscribe now, as a brand new subscriber, it is going to be $15 per month. I do have a code that will save you $9 for a 3-month subscription, so you'd pay just $12 a month. My code used to be a little bit different, but I will leave that link down below if you're interested. They say they are going to improve everything, so we'll see about that. They're starting to make changes this month, but they'll keep making more changes. Starting June 1st, all current subscribers will have the price go from $10 to $13 per month. But if you are an ACE member, which means you spend over $300 in their shop, then you will, I believe, remain at $10 a month. So yeah, you have to pay like $300 in a calendar year. So if you have that ACE status, then you don't have any price increase, to my knowledge. Correct me if you guys have heard anything wrong, but I have their email pulled up that they sent me about why they're raising their prices, so I'm just gonna read a little bit of that now. It says, our vision at Birchbox is to be forever useful and always delightful. We aim to deliver that every single month, and we will keep aiming higher. We're investing in more ways to customize your monthly experience, new brands, crazy good samples, improved personalization, we hear you, faster shipping, we hear you louder, and other fun surprises along the way. The evolution starts in April and will only get better from there. So I have noticed one change that has happened so far. So each month with Birchbox, you can either get it be a complete surprise, all of your samples, you won't know any of them, or you can choose out of like usually about 3 samples what you would like in your box, or you can choose a curated box so you know all 5 different items coming. This month they had 2 different curated boxes, so that is one change. And I think I noticed that we're getting 6 items instead of the typical 5 items. So let's go ahead and see what's in here and if we think it's worth it or not. Oh, there's a little letter on here. It says, this is the beginning of the new Birchbox experience, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best, so like it, hate it, we want to know. Text us. And then they give a phone number, so that's interesting. They must have like a customer service line through text message. I'm not sure if you guys can read this because it's such light paper, but I think that's cool that they're like letting you get in touch with them so easily. And on the back, it has all of the items that you get inside along with their full-size pricing. And then underneath it, this is what I see. I'm not gonna fully show you because everything will topple out. But the first thing I see is by Orbe, Dry Texturizing Spray. I actually have a full size of this and I do like it. So I'm totally cool with having a small travel size, so I can like throw this in my purse or something if I ever have a day where I actually do my hair and don't just like dry it. But let's see, I actually had the full size, I think, was it a FabFitFun? I think it was not the most recent FabFitFun, but the one prior, and it was one of the items you can customize and pick for yourself. So the full size is $46, so it's expensive, but this stuff is great. And it says, part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize lift. So I'm glad I got this size because I have the full, like I said, but this is a good thing to keep in your purse just to refresh your hair when you're out and about. And then we have an eye cream by Air Repair, super hydrating eye cream, and I enjoy getting eye creams, to be honest. I actually only have one eye cream right now, and it's what I got in my box of Style, and that'll probably last me a little while. But I feel like I don't always get eye creams in my subscriptions, and I do like to use them twice a day, so I'm happy to try this. The full size of this is $24.50, and it says, this potent cream reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, smooths fine lines, and soothes your under eye area for a bright-eyed look in seconds. So if it does all of that, that is freaking awesome, because I definitely have puffy eyes even if I sleep 8 hours, so, and I'm starting to get some fine lines, getting older, I'll be 31 soon, so yeah. The next thing is the item I chose. So I was giving you those options of what you can do each month. I chose an item instead of like picking a curated box or having a surprise. So this is by Wander Beauty, a brand I've really fallen in love with recently, and this is a lip treatment. It's an oil, and I don't have any lip oils, like somehow, like I have like everything, but I don't have any lip oils, so I really want to try this out. So this is what it looks like. And it says, this is a Birchbox exclusive actually. The full size is $22. It says, packed with a blend of oils that firm and moisturize your lips, this berry shake glides on to give you all-day hydration, bold color payoff, and subtle shine. So I am excited to try this out. So it has like a normal like kind of lip balm applicator. Ooh, and it does have like a little, it's tinted for sure. I didn't realize it would be. Ooh, I like the color though. So this is like, it seems more like a lip balm than an oil. It's tinted. I'm excited to use it. I kind of had to squeeze it to get some out, so hopefully this lasts a little bit. I probably should have just wasted it, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. That's actually really pretty, so cool. Alright, next up is something by Georgette Klinger. It's the Vitamin C Cleansing Oil. I think I used like a coconut type facial wash from her before, this brand before, and I did like it. I mean, this is pretty small, but I feel like with cleansers, it's not the same as like using a moisturizer or a serum. You could kind of tell if you like it. But it says it's for all skin types, brighten your complexion while you cleanse with the pure power of vitamin C. Use morning and night. This revitalizing gel dissolves excess oil, unclogs pores, evens skin tone, and fights visible signs of aging to uncover a youthful, clear radiance. So that's cool. This will be good for travel to bring with you. The full size is $26. And they say pretty much what the back of the bottle said. Notice a brighter, softer complexion when you use this vitamin C extract cleanser that gently sweeps away dirt and grime while protecting against signs of aging. Okay. And then we have something by Peter Thomas Roth. This is a Potency Brighten and Plump Moisturizer. So this has 10% THC, ascorbate, 3% vitamin E, 2% ferulic acid. I'm not really familiar with all of these. But I love trying new skincare, so this intrigues me since I don't know exactly what's in it. The full size is $68. Wow, that's expensive. This is supposed to diminish fine lines and boost elasticity with this lightweight moisturizer. It's a potent concentration of vitamin C, improves texture, and locks in hydration for 24 hours. I've been a fan of vitamin C products. Like I use a vitamin C oil by Sunday Riley every single day, and I feel like I do get more compliments on my skin, and I personally see it looking better too, so maybe I should incorporate a moisturizer to that as vitamin C. So I'm excited to try it. I'm actually very excited to try it. And we have one more thing. This is by LOC. What is it, like Love of Color? Or, yeah, Love of Color. This is an exclusive item. This is in Heavy Petal. It's a one and done shadow stick. So I've used their shadow sticks before and really liked them. And this is a pretty color. Let me swatch it. Oh my god, it goes on so smooth too. And I don't mind getting something this size. Like I probably never use it all up anyways, because like with like shadows, anything, like it just takes a while to use up. So this is definitely a good size for me. This is exclusive. The full size is $10, so that's good. This waterproof shadow stick is a versatile light rose gold shade that delivers up to 11 hours of creaseless color. No brushes, blenders, or primer needed, which I believe because I just was able to put that on so smoothly. So that's awesome. And then we have something that says $15 off your next order. A small thanks for being a subscriber. Treat yourself to $15 off your $60 or more shop order. Use code SAVE15 at checkout. And this is valid through the end of the month. So that's really awesome, because I actually do buy things from there. I actually place multiple orders for my upcoming giveaway. If you do not know, we've recently hit 4,000 subscribers. Thank you guys all so much. It's a big thank you. I am having a big giveaway. I've ordered things online, so some of the things I ordered is from Birchbox, so I do shop their website. They have a lot of great stuff. I mean, they look at all the stuff you get in the box. It's like they have that and even more, so that's awesome. I'll probably use that if I shop again. But anyways, yeah, look out for that giveaway coming super soon. But anyways, let me know your thoughts. Are you guys going to continue getting Birchbox? Are you still interested in getting it if you have not yet subscribed? I am very curious to see what they do as they start making changes. So far, I like that we get an extra product. That's cool, but yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave them down below. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.